How to apply email notification settings for the BuddyPress Items Reports. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to apply email notification settings for the BuddyPress Items Reports. With this feature, you can apply which reports notifications that can send. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Moderation. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to the Youzify panel, Extension Settings, and Moderation Settings. Scroll down to the Email Settings box, and then enable or disable any email notifications you want. And then, save the settings. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.